guys, today we're going to be planting some foxgloves. I haven't got them in seeds, but I've got like a bunch of them here, if you can see. And we're in a different place. I mean, more than usually, there's all plants that we planted before. So first, like you need some compost, and then first of all we've got these three plants, these three foxgloves. I'm wear gloves when you're dealing with foxgloves. So I'm gonna have this one. We're gonna plant in that one. Oh god. This one. And we're gonna be planting one more because that's how many we can fit in. And then, oh my god, he's heavy. And this one. So I'm gonna see you for now, guys, and I'll see what we have to do next. See you guys for now. Bye. First, we have to put all of this soil in the. You see them? My dogs is on the roof of the shed, and it's very bizarre. He only does it. He only jumps over there and then runs away. Man, there's like, if you see here, if you can see here, there's like big bumps, like I don't know, like I mean like tall bumps, and then squeeze like into like skinny bumps, and then there's a line. I'm gonna fill it up into the line so you can see. We're gonna I'm gonna do all of this soil and put it all there, and then I'm gonna see you for now, and then I'm gonna see what we have to do next. So see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, I filled it up to the top, but you can't see what I have. So next we'll have to I'll get one of these. I'll put this there, and then you'll have to like dig a holes. Inside. So you'll have to dig a hole so the thing can fit in. Oh guys, we've done all the soil in. Now if you can see, I don't know. We've done the hose. If you haven't done the hose, do the hose. Then you have to tip the pot. Oh my. Oh my. I didn't do that right then. Oh my plant smells soil. Ugh. I don't think we got enough soil in this, but we'll fill it up afterwards. And then, if you can fit more than 3 in, do more than 3. But I will only be able to do 2 in. God, there's a bee next to me. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not doing this right. I'm not doing this right. Hello guys, we're putting the third one in, just a little one. We can't fit another one in, so I'm going to have to dig a hole for this one. Oh my gosh. They're going to be very next to each other. Oh, I think that's as big as the hole is going to get. Put that there. There we go. Okay. Okay guys, we're done in putting all the soil in. So this is going to be the last part. We'll have to water all of this. Oh my. And the flood. I'm going to spill all of this, I know it. Gosh, it's a bee. So, this is going to be the end. I'm just going to remind you to smash the like button if you want more gardening videos and subscribe. So I'll see you. Oh yeah. Right. Okay, so I'll see you for now, guys. Bye.